Hey everyone, we're out in the back doing a little more metal detecting today. I took with me the Max and the Patriot, just doing some comparing on the signals and the depth, and I just found an earring about 4 inches down. I'm not sure if it's silver yet, we'll have to clean it up a little bit later. I thought it was a ring at first. So I'm going to throw this back in the hole and then I'll dig it up again and I'll just go over the sound. So it was about 4 inches down, there's the plug. We bury it again, then we'll dig it back up. So first we'll do the Max. Let me get a better area. So it's telling me it's deeper than it is, but it's ringing up. Let's see what it's ringing up. I got the iron up to 40 right now because there's a lot of crap back here. Alright, so we'll go over to the Patriot. So I got the Patriot sensitivity 80 and number of tones, 3 tones. So it's really nice and crisp on the Patriot. So that earring was down about 4 inches. They both sound good. All right, we'll see you on the next target. All right, the next signal right here, good mid-tone. This is with the Patriot. We have not dug it yet, so. Nice repeatable signal with the Patriot. There we go. And it's saying it's about 6 inches deep. So I'll dig it up and we'll see what we got. Alright, so this is what we pulled out of the hole. I am not sure what it is. It doesn't sound like it has any iron in it, but it almost looks like some type of a bolt. So that's that mid-tone on the Patriot. There's the mid-tone on the Max. So I'll look at this a little better when I clean it up. Right now, I have no idea. If you know, let me know. Thanks. Alright, Mike just found a penny.
It's not a weedy, unfortunately.
Let me see. Nope, it's not a weedy. 1984.
This was a bugger to get out.
1984. Good job, bud.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, here's the next signal we're going to dig. That both of them are picking up. Alright, so the AT Max. Nice clear signal. And the Patriot. Alright, get the Max out of here, it's picking it up. The Patriot's got solid feedy, anyway, not solid, but they're bouncing, but it's not showing iron like the Max was doing, bouncing a little bit around. Alright, so let's dig it up and see what we got. Oh, this shows 6 inches is the best I can get. So let's see what we got. Alright, so both of those mid-tones was a pull tab. They were right, it was about 6 inches down. Alright, we'll see you on the next find. Alright, I started this plug. I haven't popped it yet. I got a stick over it. I'm just going to bring these two up, starting with the Patriot. Nice and clear tone. And it's saying it is 3 inches deep. Let's bring up the Max. Nice clear tone, Britt. The Max, it has times where the tone is pretty crackly. This is a pretty clear one. So let's see what this says about depth. It's saying 4 inches. 4 inches, yep. This is probably a pull tab too. Alright, we're gonna dig one last plug and then call it a day. It's getting pretty chilly out. Alright, that last find was the pull tab on the bottom right. These are the finds for the day. I was discriminating with the Max up to 40, so we weren't digging really any nails. So we got a nickel. It's all modern stuff. We're gonna have to look into this a little more. It's just filthy on the inside, but we'll clean it up and see what we can get off of it. See if it's silver or not. And this thing, I'm not sure what this is. But that's it for today. It's getting cold. November, Thanksgiving coming up 2 weeks away. Happy hunting, happy holidays. Well, a lot of people say swing your detector while you're walking home. So I was swinging the Patriot because it's lighter than the Max. We came across two more pennies. They're both modern, in the 70s. 72. And who knows, let's see. '72 and '78. So they were ringing up in the 80s. So they were sounding good, and they were probably, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 inches deep. That is it for today. Have a good night.